Multiculturalism. Student objective. Define multiculturalism and describe a multicultural society. This slide deck will help you understand what a multicultural society is and how to recognize one. Click here to access the notes to complete while going through the slide deck. Multiculturalism is a society with many different ethnic or national cultures interacting freely, and differences of cultural practices are tolerated out of respect. Let's unpack that definition. Different ethnic or national cultures, interacting freely, differences are tolerated, respect, all living and working together in the same community. We already know that multi means many. So what are some of the many cultural traits that you might find in the same community? Ethnicity, religion, language, customs and traditions, food, and clothing. You might find a variety of these different traits in the same community. Let's describe a society that is multicultural. The Middle East is a melting pot of ethnicities, languages, and religions. These traits all fuse together to give us a rich cultural tapestry. Although people across the Middle East share many of the core values and cultural practices, there can also be some significant differences. The religions you might find: Islam, Judaism, Christianity. Languages are Arabic, Hebrew, and Persian. Some ethnicities in the Middle East are Arabs, Kurds, and Turkmen. Some of the foods you might find are hummus, falafel, and pizza. Here in the United States, we have adapted to multiculturalism. Our communities are rich in ethnicity, religion, language, food, and clothing, as well as other cultural traits. We are respectful of our differences and can live peaceably as a society.